And one thing is, do not clap. I know you use your hands, but don't clap because that'll come in the audio and it'll just fuck her up.
Good point. Is it rolling right now?
Yeah.
Wow. So it got you yelling at me. That's really hurtful.
Okay, we'll turn this off. I just zoomed. That was my fake turn off. It was just a close up on your wide open mouth, on your stash. Look at that gross. It won't even focus. That's how ugly it is.
Stop. All right, let's film it.
Okay, it's wrong.
All right. All right, hey guys. Yeah.
Great start. We got it. We got it. All right, back up. It's a day.
Hey, I'm Ryan, and I like to make things. Over the years, I've made a lot of things for my friends and family, and so I created this account in order to show how I make things and hopefully teach people how to avoid the mistakes.
We're going to take you through how to build something for a wall that you might have like this one. This is my brother's wall. He lives in New York City and he wants something for his wall to kind of showcase all the parts about himself as well as the city that he loves. It's a project that anyone can do in any city, and it really kind of fills up the space as well as creates an atmosphere that's pretty awesome. So we're going to take you through it real quick. Follow me.
The materials for this project are not that bad. 1-inch steel, I got mine at Home Depot, some paint, some spacers, some lights. It all came out to $70. The tools are a little bit harder to get. You need a welding machine, something to grind down the sharp edges of the metal after you cut it, and then something to cut the metal. After making all your measurements, you're going to start cutting. Do all your cuts at once, get it all over with. There's going to be a lot of sparks, so make sure you clear out anything that's flammable. You're then going to have these sharp edges that you're going to grind down. On a machine like this, you can also use a handheld tool. Just make sure that nothing is sharp and everything is pretty smooth.
Was that clamped well enough?
After the steel is cut, filed down, and then drilled, you're going to get ready to weld. I use a MIG welder, which uses electricity. One of my first times using the machine, pretty easy learning curve, but I know some of the older welders have a little bit more of a learning curve. So make sure you have all the proper safety precautions in place in order to stay safe and still get the job done. I welded it in sections, so you start with small and then you build up to connecting the bigger pieces at the end. After that, it's a simple matter of painting it.
Video of it welding turn out well?
Oh, I didn't even check. But don't worry about the mustache part. I'm a editing wizard. It's gonna come out so good, dude.
Are you gonna edit this video?
I could. I could.
Send it to you.
Okay, I did. I just said it by accident, but now I'm locked in.